Welcome, researchers. This tutorial will guide you through the process for downloading EndNote for Windows for free from the NIH Library website. EndNote is a software package which is designed to help you organize citations and create a bibliography. EndNote helps you to find, download, and organize references in your own personal EndNote library. You are allowed 3 downloads of the EndNote program through the NIH Library at no cost to you. Spoiler alert, you will most likely need to partner with your IT support for the actual installation of EndNote. Now let's take a look at the process. Go to our website, nihlibrary.nih.gov. Use the Quick Links menu located at the top of the page on the right side. Scroll down and click EndNote. We're now viewing the library's webpage that details how to download EndNote. The direct link to this page is in the video description. Click on Get EndNote. At the next page, scroll to the bottom and select Microsoft Windows Installation. The administrator, whether yourself or IT staff, will then follow the directions to download the latest version of EndNote. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions about downloading EndNote from the NIH Library, visit our website and go to Get Help, located at the top of the page on the right, and scroll down to select Ask a Question. Good luck with your research. This content was created by the NIH Library. Thank you for watching.